So the upgrade has begun on the rig. Look at this. Look at all these Lithium batteries. Ooh, look at all of them. Look at that. Lithium batteries. We're making the jump. And of course we have panels to go up on the top. More panels. More batteries. More power.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We're finally pulling the trigger on lithium batteries. And Lithium sent us a couple batteries to test out and to try out. And we are going to do that right now. We're going to unbox this and see what all's inside of this box. And they've got it packed really, really nice. Look at this. Inside, what do we got here? There's the post bolts for the battery itself. And all their goodies come in a, boy, that's nice packaging. Look at that. Zip along the top. All the paperwork for the batteries. Take that out. Got your product manual. Advertisements, the service card. Each battery comes with its own serial number, so you can keep track of that. And look at that, you even get a page of stickers from Lithium. Can't go wrong with that. All right, let's continue. Let's see what we've got here. We want to make sure we don't lose those. The battery is really packed in here nice and tight. Pull this out. Look at that. That is beautiful. Lithium 12.8, 100 amp hour batteries. And like I said, they sent us 2 of those. So we will get busy and get these charged up this morning. They say you have to test them and then make sure that they're charged up to 100% before you do put them in service. All right, we got the post bolts out of the styrofoam, and we're gonna put these in here with our wires from the battery charger to get this thing up to snuff. And it says to make sure that they are tight. You don't want to over tighten these, but you certainly don't want them loose. Then let's just check these batteries and see where we are. Let's see what we got. Well, this one is basically almost fully charged. 13.3 volts. So it shouldn't take long to top this one off once we put it on the generator. We are going to take the Lithium battery charger and hook this up. Quick snap. Once again, let's just see. Red light means it is charging. Let's just take a gander here and see what we're charging. And see, it is higher than the 13.3, so it is putting a charge into the battery. It shouldn't take long. You know, when you're upgrading your rig and you're doing solar and you're doing new batteries and all kinds of good stuff like that, you think you're going to be up on top, but sometimes things don't go the way you think they should, and you end up underneath
in the belly to try to track wires. Why is it never easy?
So Myron has scoped it out. We have kind of planned everything out on this piece of cardboard where we're gonna build the new solar install with the Lithium 100 amp hour lithium batteries. Have them all set up the way we want it. Now we just have to tear everything down and start over.